What is that sound? That's the cacophony of millions of cicadas singing and searching for a mate. And you better get used to it, because Brood X, as they are known, are just now emerging.
Back out here live, and you can see here, I've already made one little friend. Some people find them annoying. Personally, I love the little fellas. Whether you like them or not, in a few more days, we won't see any more cicadas for another 17 years. This has been Ben Evergreen, coming to you from Riverdale Park, Action 13 News.
Hey Ben, let me ask you, don't people eat those things?
Yeah, I guess some people do.
Would you ever eat one?
No, I don't think I would. Back to you.
You know, I saw Gabe Catlin over at Channel 7. He ate one yesterday.
Well, good for Gabe Catlin. I'm not interested. Back to you.
Yeah, it was covered in chocolate, and it was crunchy, and it was oozing.
Well, I hope he enjoyed his snack, but like I stated, I'm not interested. Back to you in the studio.
Yeah, I know. Maybe that's why Gabe Catlin has more social media followers than you.
Everybody's after Gabe Catlin. Gabe Catlin does this. Gabe Catlin does this. He's so spontaneous. He's loved by everybody. Let me see Gabe Catlin do this.
Okay, Ben. Thanks.
I'll be right back.
Years ago today, beloved Action 13 reporter Ben Evergreen went missing from this very park after filing a report on cicadas. Now Brood X is back, but sadly, Ben isn't. I'm Holly Crabtree. Hold on. I think there's something happening in the woods here. There was a scream, as I'm sure you heard. I don't know where. Jim, do you see anything?
What's that?
Okay, I'm gonna send it back to the studio and we'll stay on this and let you know what, if anything, we discover. For now, I'm Holly Crabtree. What is that sound? Ah!